Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Betta SE Plus Pool Skimmer right here. If you don't know what this is a solar powered pool skimmer. You put it in your swimming pool, it goes back and forth, skims off all the leaves, all the debris, the bugs, whatever you don't want floating in your pool before it sinks down to the bottom, gets rid of all the filth, does the work for you. This thing is a huge time saver. Now let's get to the video, let's check it out. Go, packaged very nicely. Got some brief instructions there. We've got a separate charger. We got a controller, a couple of batteries, some instructions. You've got the actual unit itself. Basket. Just be sure and untape everything, get it all ready for the first use. Be sure and check out the link in the video description where you can buy the Betta SE Plus. It'll take you right to the website and you can purchase one of these for yourself. Okay, so just a little bit closer look. Everything in the box, you have the actual Betta unit itself. You have some owner's manuals here. You have a screwdriver and some batteries for the remote. You have a little charger for the unit. And you have a little warranty card. That is everything in the box, you guys. And just so you know, this is a solar panel on the top. This opens up, and this is your skimmer basket right here. You take up the skimmer basket, you just lift it up like that, and you go dump it out in the garbage can, and you just rinse out the little filter screen. That's all there is to changing it or cleaning it. Lock it back down, set it back in the water, and you hit the little on-off button on the back, and off you go. Be sure and check out the link in the video description where you can buy the Betta SE Plus. It'll take you right to the website and you can purchase one of these for yourself. Hopefully this video has been really helpful. Be sure and like and subscribe. Also check out these other videos I've got going on, including the review coming up on this Betta SE Plus. And I'll catch you guys later.